Hello, my name is David and I'm a product manager at Celayix. I'm going to very quickly show you our new chat feature. As I'm sure you know, when you're scheduling a lot of people, communication is key, and our new chat feature makes it easy to communicate with employees and other managers right within Schedule Express. Let me show you how that works. So here's my schedule. If I want to chat with someone, I have a couple of options. One, I can just go to the chat module right here, create new chat. I want to chat with, let's say, Corey. Done. And it creates a chat for me with Corey right here. Hi, Corey. And Corey will see that message in Team Express in his app. He'll get a pop-up notification, so he'll know straight away that you've messaged him. If I want to chat with more than one person, I can do that too. So if I want to chat with these 3 people, I just select the 3, click done. It creates a group of 4 people, including myself. Hi, everyone. And all those 3 employees will get that message. The other option I have, this makes it super easy to chat with people for schedule related issues. So I have 5 shifts here. Let's say I want to send a message to these 5 people. I can just select these shifts, which is very easy if you've collapsed the shifts, or you can just select the 5 shifts individually. Then I go to the communicate button, chat with 5 employees, and it's created a chat group with those 5 people instantly. And you can send whatever message you need to those employees right from here within the chat. And it takes seconds to create the group. Don't forget to check in early. There you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to create a group chat in the new Celayix chat functionality. If you have any questions, please reach out to customer support. Thanks. Bye.